Greetings. This video I'm going to show you how to use a portable handicap toilet. This particular one's a 3-in-1. It's a Medline / Guardian, but pretty much it's universal how to set them up. I say it's they say it's 3-in-1, but it's really a 2-in-1, and I'll explain to you in a second why that is. You can use it beside your bedside with a little bedpan like this, or you can set it up on your toilet, and I'll show you that secondly. All right, so in order to set this up, you don't need a screwdriver, tools, or anything. These chairs go over like this. This bottom part will flap up like this, and just goes into these two holes here, and you can see it snap into place like that. Okay. You can set the height anywhere from 16 inches to 20 inches, 22 inches, depending on the height of the patient. And that is collapsible on every 4 legs. You want it to, as you can see here, you just push that in there and go out. You'll find on the toilet, the average height of a toilet will be 5 notches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on all 4 legs. All right, so I have this collapsed down, and this part you want to keep on. This is the back portion of your toilet, and this part here, it's for additional support. But if you're using it for a bedside, so if it's like the number 1 of 3, if you want to keep it near your bedside, you have to have this metal part for support of your backsplash lid. So you have to keep that on like that. And so if you're having it right beside your bed, you can open this up here, and your toilet goes like that. Okay, that's pretty much self-explanatory right there. All right, so that's one use for it. Now the second use is we're going to put it on the toilet, and again, you can measure all 4 legs for it to be a snug fit. Which, again, on the Medline Guardian, probably the majority of them, it's 5 notches up per one. You just lift that toilet up like this, and put it over like this. Let's take this part out. And actually, I'll probably lower this one by 1, if it'll let me. And you want this frame to be as close as possible here. So that's why I am adjusting here and pushing down and making sure that I got a good snug fit. Go down on the one. All right, that's better. Like that. And then the lid goes over like this. This part here you want to take off, because this will actually hurt the patient's back. So in order to take it off, you just simply click here on this button, push, and push. Okay. And the good thing about it is, and why it's so good for patients that have mobility problems, you have this thing where you can push right there. I'll show you an example. Pretty self-explanatory, but you got these arm bars, right? And then you can push up as well, which helps for additional support. If you are using the same toilet, guys, if you are using the same toilet as the patient, please, 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 when you do number 1, do not keep it up, okay? Because if your partner or your relative goes in here and they sit down on this, they could fall into the toilet or it will hurt. Just be very conscious if you do number 1 to push down on that. Also, too, you want to clean the toilet. Take this off and clean behind it and under it. Common sense, but it gets more dirty, especially if you're doing number 1, from this angle, it becomes a lot more dirty if you're using the toilet. All right, again, this one is a Medline, a Guardian. Oh, and the 3-in-1, they claim that this part is the 3. So it's additional support. So if you're doing number 1, you use at the bedside or even at the toilet, you use this as additional support for whatever you're doing. All right, that should do it. Put any comments in the comment section and let me know which design that you have. I want to put in the comment section where you can get one of these Medlines off of Amazon for like 35-40 bucks. Very cheap. And I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get one. Thanks for watching.